Looking to get in on the action of trading Dogecoin and earning profit from it with added advantage? You can capitalize on our 5% off offer on Binance. You'll get a 5% discount off every trade that you make with Dogecoin or any other cryptocurrency of your choosing. All you have to do is follow the link in the description and sign up to enjoy this wonderful offer. We've not seen enough of Dogecoin yet. No, not by a long shot. There isn't any indication that Dogecoin will come to a grinding halt anytime soon. The coin has been consolidating pretty strongly between 5 and 7 cents within the 100-day EMA. We are moving within this range as the coin's movements have been consistent around the zone of its all-time high, which it attained in February of 2021. It was expected to dip as it was thought that there wasn't enough strong foundation to back its unexpected 1,300% increase that saw it form an all-time high at around 8 cents. Welcome back to Crypto Lion. If you had a supercomputer, which could calculate just what Dogecoin's value could be in the next few months and exactly when it would attain that value, you'd know to invest in Dogecoin now. Today on the channel, we'll be talking about the prospects of Dogecoin, the latest Dogecoin price predictions, and chart analysis. Don't forget to leave a like on this video, leave a comment down below, and subscribe to the channel and turn on post notifications. What do the top successful investors in the world look at in prospects and small businesses before choosing to invest in them? Well, for small businesses and the likes, you can point to a business plan or a financial projection and a feasibility study of the market to ascertain what portion of the market would buy into the idea of the business or product. There's also the consideration of its potential acceptability by a specific section of the market for whom the product was made. Now, the cryptocurrency industry represents a market that is free for all, to be honest. We have an open-air system that isn't limited to one system of control. It's a world on its own, and it's bigger than anything we've ever seen. This market is also for everyone. Adults, teenagers, even children can benefit from it. Every crypto has an equal chance in the market space. People can opt to buy as many types of cryptocurrencies as they want. The degree of freedom that's available in the market is one that is totally advantageous. One can have holdings of more than one crypto, say Bitcoin, Ethereum, Doge, Bitcoin Cash, XRP, etc. It's subtle, but you can't just be listening to what everyone says in opposition of a crypto. In a situation where everyone is all about making money, no one thinks twice about whether they like a crypto or not, but as long as it has the potential to yield profit, they do anything in secret to get their hands on it. Let it not surprise you to know that more people out there would do anything to buy a crypto at a lower price, and thus, if they can influence a shift in market sentiments and initiate a dip, they can attain their objective. Dogecoin has often been criticized by certain people who see it as nothing more than a joke. But in the real sense, based on the price action of Dogecoin in the last 2 months, I bet you they're building up a portfolio which has a substantial amount of Dogecoin in their wallet. Hence, you should watch what sort of chart or comments you read on the internet. Things may not be as they seem. You will miss out, and they won't. Elon Musk sees Dogecoin as a coin for the future. If not, why would he buy it for his kid? Parents often buy shares or open savings accounts for their children, and it's often done for a certain amount in return over time. Having money stuck in a bank account and frozen will add no value whatsoever to the money. Hence, owning assets is the way to go, and cryptos are the most profitable assets in the financial world today. I know we have mutual funds, bonds, and stocks as well, but crypto is the most active of them all, that hands total control over to the investor rather than a company or organization. If you want to invest for the future, you want to put money in something that will continue to grow even if you don't add extra money to the investment afterwards. It will continue to appreciate in value. This chart shows Dogecoin at its current price of about 5.8 cents. It also reflects a potential shape that Dogecoin might take if it goes on an uptrend or downtrend. Let's project it this way. We're talking about Dogecoin to $80 with Elon Musk's prediction. The amount of Dogecoin that Elon Musk bought was primarily undisclosed, so let's imagine that Elon Musk actually bought 1 million USD worth of Dogecoin. I think the time he bought it was pegged around February, and the price of Dogecoin then was about 6.5 to 7 cents. Let's go with 7 cents as a multiplier here. Let's first estimate how much Dogecoin he could have gotten with that amount. $1 million divided by 7 cents will give us 14,285,714 Dogecoins. That's a lot. We don't know just how long he's willing to hodl the cryptocurrency, but we assume that he will want to keep it until the kid hits 16 or 18. Either way, let us set the benchmark to approximately 10 years. This stretches the years towards 2031, and we've had predictions that suggest different price targets for the next few years for Dogecoin. The $10 target has been mooted as a possible destination for the crypto to be attempting to test by this time in 2023. So, based on this, Elon Musk's child will probably have $140 million if a single Dogecoin is valued at $10. That would mean great foresight from Elon Musk to have thought of doing this now. There's also the chance that the growth of Dogecoin happens much faster than we can even project it to be. Dogecoin to $80 could occur before 2031, and a total holdings value of 14 million Dogecoins would be worth $1 trillion. It could happen much sooner than that. There have been predictions that said that Dogecoin could reach $100 in 2025. This has been deemed possible only if the coin manages to hit $50 by 2023. It's been discussed that even in 2023, the coin could experience a 100% shoot from $50 to $100. The $80 price target seems achievable in less than 3 years from this angle. What will happen mostly is that there's a massive increase in adoption of Dogecoin. We've already seen Dogecoin attaining utility in some pretty cool places. First, as a means of buying tickets to watch the Dallas Mavericks. Another second thing of interest is that Dogecoin has now become an acceptable means of payment for flights on Air Baltic. This led to a spike in the price of Dogecoin of about 20%. Dogecoin is one lucky cryptocurrency that seems to have made friends in high places. If these categories of people and organizations are interested in Dogecoin, they must be seeing something we aren't. These are people who can opt to buy millions of Dogecoin and decide to wait 10 years for it to mature before ever thinking of selling it. They can wait comfortably. We're the ones always in a rush. The growth of Dogecoin should be our utmost priority. As much as it pays off for someone like Elon Musk, it'll be much more profitable for us. There's nothing to be scared of. Risks are abound everywhere, but investment in crypto seems to be considerably less risky, and experts in the crypto market know it. That's why they're entirely bullish about the potential of cryptocurrencies to make more millionaires of people in the lower echelons of society. You already have more than enough information at your disposal to seize the day and whatever opportunity it holds for your future finances. You too can start securing the future for your children and your grandchildren right from now. Think about the struggles you've had to cope with just because you didn't have enough money to spend. You can easily overcome that by buying and investing in cryptocurrencies and hodling it. You can go about your daily jobs earning more money while comfortable that you have a solid investment holding things in place for you. If you manage to buy 1,000 Dogecoins right now and the price trend takes Dogecoin to $80, it means you would have $80,000 that you can bank on to help finance one project or other in the future. Maybe it could be the one that you can count on in solving a financial crisis down the line. In economics, we're taught the theory about why people hold money. There is the transactionary motive and the speculative motive. Poor people only hold money for transaction motives alone, always going liquid. Many others that hold money for speculative reasons do so just for emergencies. Such money doesn't earn them extra money. You can change that if you notice that you're following the same pattern. Assets like crypto are the best thing you can decide to hold for either transaction purposes or speculative purposes. This is because as long as you're holding them, they never retain the same value for long. More often than not, they grow incredibly beyond your imagination. I hope you're developing interest in obtaining a fair amount of Dogecoin for yourself and maybe for your loved ones. No amount is too small. As low as $2 will buy you 44 Dogecoins, and you can still buy much more. It will be interesting to hear that wonderful story of how you became a millionaire by buying Dogecoin today. The Dogecoin community would love to have you ride with us to the moon. We hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and click on that notification bell so you can get updates whenever we post a new video. How much Dogecoin are you willing to buy? How much Dogecoin do you already own? Let us know your answers in the comments section below. While you're here, go ahead and check out our previous videos. Good luck and happy investing.